Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha.
But there's still, within all the different species, there's still different varieties. What accounts for all these varieties?
Varieties of the body, according to the mentality.
According to karma?
Yeah. According to the karma, at the time of death, mind is saturated in that way and gets over. That's all.
And then after, say, if a human being falls down into the animal species, after that, does he go through each and every one of these species successively? Even there are different types of dogs, he becomes each different type of dog?
That is Darwin's gradual evolution.
Except this is evolution of consciousness, growing bigger.
That is, Darwin has captured that portion. How the body is changing one after another.
Srila Prabhupada, in Bhagavad Gita it says, Shuchinang Shrimatangehe Yoga Brashta Vijayate. So, for somebody who is now a disciple of the Krishna consciousness movement, are we to understand if he is not born in a family of devotees and if he is not born in an aristocratic family, that he was not a yogi in his past life? Are we to
past life, they had some good deeds, therefore they have come to Krishna consciousness movement. It is called Ajnata Sukriti. Besides that, whatever he may be in the past life, the movement is there. It is open for everyone. So everyone can come and take advantage. Despite whatever he did in his past life, it doesn't matter. If he comes and if he is fortunate, if he chants, then he will advance.
So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's special mercy.
Srila Prabhupada, you were explaining to the reporter yesterday that the difference between the animal and the human is that the animal cannot think of God. He has no religion. So when the living entity is passing through these different species, he doesn't have sufficient knowledge.
No knowledge.
So then how is he benefited? You said, you explained that as he is being promoted, he is being corrected.
Correct, yeah.
But if he cannot understand God...
No, there is no need of correction. That different stages of body. That's like you are going one step, another step, another step, another step. There is no need of knowing what is this, but you are going up, step by step, step by step.
In the Bhagavad Gita, you explain that one takes a specific birth due to a specific degree of lust.
Yeah, mental fixation.
Srila Prabhupada, you once said that if someone is not attracted to chanting Hare Krishna, that he's being punished by Yamaraj.
Yeah. Apano karama bhunjaya samana. Gahe lochana da.